My guy, what's up? Yeah, I'm back. How was your weekend? I hope it was great. Yeah, basically in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make very nice Roy Bounty photos but using online software. Yeah? In the previous video, I made, sorry, not a previous video, in one of the videos I made today, I'm going to leave a link to my social media profiles in the description. One of my the first video I made was like how to edit photos without internet, that is offline. In that video, I demonstrated how to use Adobe Illustrator. But unfortunately, the only thing with this software, it's like it's good for using when you don't have internet. But the only problem, it's quite a heavy software. Like it requires a very powerful PC. Yeah, very powerful laptop or desktop computer, which most can't handle. So today I'm going to show you instead a better alternative, which doesn't require you to install any software on your computer, but this is the major problem. It requires internet every time you're working all the way. So if I go to my browser, I open up my Google Chrome there. As it loads up, ding, ding, ding. So basically, the site is, I come here in the search bar, I type pixel, no, it's pixel stroke x stroke home. Then I press enter and wait for it to load. So as it loads, it's here, this first link, pixel.com photo editor online. So when I click it, it's a very easy software. So if you're so used to using Photoshop and Illustrator, this one is almost no different. Yeah. So yeah, as it loads, this is its interface. You come here to this part, start editing. So when you click that part of start editing, now what you do, I've never created any image. So if you have ever created image before, it will appear here in your history. Yeah. But since I have never, now you can come. If you want now, like for example, to keep up with your images, there's this part of login and register. So you can click that part, and yeah, then you can begin. You can open up an account so that like your work that you will be doing, like it will be saved here, like in the history. So begin editing. I can just come here and I come like to this part. I click try editing a photo. So I click it. No, it's take long. I think let me come here. Let me first refresh my browser so that it loads. So now like yeah, the photo has now come. So when this photo comes, now there is this part of here properties what. So basically what I'm going to look for, I'm going to look for a part that has text. It will be having a T. So I click here, add new text. So yeah, they'll give you a sample of the text. So what I'm going to do, let me erase that, and no, let me first refresh so that the icons can appear very well. Yeah, it's just that my internet is a bit slow today, but it's going to load. But in the meantime, maybe let me just show you. Like let me come to roy.club here. I just press this link as it comes. So as it's loading, give it some little time. I'm going to look for those icons I had, like the ones you see banners of Roy Club, cars of Roy Club, images, the ones you see in my pictures. Yeah. So this is what I'm going to basically do. I'm also going to add I'm going to show you where you can get those images. So I'll wait for it to load. Now I click here again. Then as it loads, somehow also every software, so it takes some time. So I look for this part that has here. So I click on text here. Then let me first press delete here, and this disappears. So I come, I highlight that, then I edit it out, then I type hash Roy Club photo for the hashtag, the mandatory hashtag. Then when I'm done with that, I press close. So yeah, then I can come back and click text again, so I can drag this around. Then I can also change its color, like that, to an appropriate color, the way I want. And after that, I come also, and I click again add new text, this time for the date. So for the text, I'll highlight this again. Today's date is 9th March 2020. So when I'm done with that, I drag this around also, and I give it an appropriate color. So let me see which color I can give it. Let me come and scroll there, so I can increase the size from here of the text, like that. So the color, I think, yeah, when I click on the color there, um let me see which color would match well, that would appear. So let me select black, yeah, black. Then also for this, I give it black, as well. So yeah, so after, when I'm done with that, now I can close this. Then when I'm done, I can also add another image. Let me see, where was it from? I think it was here. So no, I think I can ignore that. So when you are done with this, now you come and you say save. So the best format to choose is JPG. The reason JPG, it's a very high quality, and like yeah, it will be a smaller size. But there is also PNG. You can see PNG is bigger, 1.10 MBs, and PXD. So I choose JPG. Then I after that, make sure that the quality is in high here. Yeah. Then I'm done with that. I just come and simply say download. So yeah, it will come. Then when I click save, it will be saved to my PC, and I can find that image there.